Under the African sun, Mama Grace's tender touch graces the rising brick walls of their new home, each brick whispering promises of a brighter future. Beside her, Baba Juma stands tall, his eyes reflecting waves of pride and silent agreement. Amina's quill dances across parchment, weaving words of love and anticipation to Abraham, painting a vivid picture of their shared dreams. Uncle Hassan's brow furrows in concentration as he meticulously guards every coin, ensuring their dreams are built on solid ground. The air vibrates with anticipation, a tangible testament to a family's unwavering love and shared hope. In the dimly lit apartment, Abraham slumps wearily in his chair, the weight of a grueling shift etched deeply into his face. The buzz of his phone pierces the silence, a digital whisper from Amina bearing a snapshot of their almost finished home. In a flood of emotion, tears stream down his face, a testament to the sacrifices made and the dream within reach. In this poignant moment, Abraham realizes that every sacrifice, every lonely night, has woven together to create a tapestry of worth. Under the African sun, a family stands united before their newly built home, radiating joy and pride in their collective triumph. Though one is missing, his spirit weaves through the air, a silent testament to shared dreams and enduring family bonds. The mango tree casts a protective shadow, a living echo of a vision brought to life, its branches whispering tales of resilience and unwavering hope. Abraham's gaze is fixated on a house photo displayed on his phone, and a fierce resolve etches itself onto his face. With a heart brimming with joy and anticipation, Abraham begins packing, ready to reunite with his family. Abraham prepares to return home